Welcome back to another video. My name is Max. We're at John Kleis Car Audio, where we upgrade radios, security systems, audio systems. But today behind me, I've got a white Land Rover Defender 90 that's been in for a head unit upgrade to bring this customer useful features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and generally that's exactly all he wanted. So just stepping into here, I'll give you a quick look. Now this is quite a nice model actually. Don't often see them in white. It's a very clean one outside as well. Let's just hop inside, get myself in. Here's our new head unit. This is called a double DIN conversion. We take the old single DIN dashboard, we fit this new double DIN dashboard. There's a switch panel which is relocated here for some, obviously the buttons. We've added some charging and USB connections, and we obviously have the head unit here all fitted in, looks nice and flushly fitting. Customer's already been in to have a look at it, very happy with it. Now I'm just going to start it up, turn the keys on. 2 seconds, let's get the steering lock off. And when you power it up, we have the Land Rover logo. We always like to add the Land Rover logo. It's just a nice little touch and it just helps give it that kind of factory feel. So this is an Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also a DAB head unit. We haven't done anything in terms of extra aerials on the outside. It's just got an aerial mount on the inside, which is just down the corner there. Quite often we put a Defender Specialist aerial on the front wings and replace the pull-up push-down area, but this customer wasn't really interested in the DAB side of things. We do have a couple options of switch panels here. This is our shorter panel which gives you a couple extra blanks for charging, and yeah, it all fits in real nicely, neat and tidy. As you can see, my phone's already hooked up to it, which is just down there. This is Apple CarPlay, all wirelessly working on the factory system. Nice responsive screen to use with nice clear quality. Customer had a really small single DIN Apple CarPlay unit before, which he was kind of getting along okay with it, but he wanted an upgrade. He looked at the larger 10-inch screens, which we do also offer as well, but in the end we went for this one, and yeah, he's very happy. Went for this particular head unit. The KENWOOD's got a 3-year warranty on it at the moment, and you can get all the radio apps through Apple CarPlay for DAB, and you got loads of navigation apps like Waze, Apple Maps, Google Maps. TomTom Go is a good one if you like to have a navigation app which is all built in and you're not going to be losing the maps when you lose data, which often people worry about. But yeah, this is Apple CarPlay, real nice response screen. You can change the colour of this button down here. We normally go for green because obviously it matches all the rest of the aesthetics inside here, but that's pretty much it. We can add reverse cameras to these, we can do full audio upgrades, we can do all sorts of things. As you can imagine, this is a platform which is open to so many modifications, but I'm pretty much going to sum it up there. This is just a quick video. Appreciate you watching this video. Thanks for engaging with our channel. Let us know if there's anything that you want to see more of, drop it in the comments. But for now, if you want to quote, get in contact. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.